Modern minimalist house na malapit sa Metro Manila, no spot down payment dahil ang down payment nito ay payable ng 24 months. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Deserve ng family mo ang may magandang community, malawak, maliwalas dahil malalaki ang road at maganda ang location. Ang maganda dito ay may mga options tayo na pag-ibig, bank, financing at in-house financing. Complete finish turnover, 3 bedrooms at 2 toilet and bath. Included ang tiles, paint, at lahat ng unit natin dito ay with balcony. Expanded na to, kaya naman ang carport natin ay almost fully covered na. At with fence na rin, kaya naman makakatipid kayo sa home improvement cost. Available na rin ang units natin na malapit sa main entrance. Meron tayong complete amenities dito sa Newville Townhomes like clubhouse with pool, parks and playground, basketball court at marami pang iba. One bus ride lang ito going to PITX at approximately 60 to 90 minutes drive lang ito going to Manila. Total